In this lesson, we're going to look at the cosine rule. I've got the cosine rule here. A squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine A. I've got this triangle here, and this is just so we can identify the vertices and the lengths. So I've got the vertex here, A, and the side opposite vertex A is the side A, or BC. Opposite vertex B, we've got the side B, and opposite vertex C, we've got the side C. And you notice that the vertices are labelled with capitals and the sides with lowercase letters. Let me bring in a question to have a look at here. So we've got a triangle ABC, very similar to this one here, and we're trying to find this length A. And we're going to use the cosine rule. So let's start by writing out the rule, but substituting in the values that are given. So we're trying to find A. So A squared equals B squared, and B is 12. So that's 12 squared, plus C squared, and C is 10. So 10 squared, minus 2, multiplied by B, which is 12, multiplied by C, which is 10, multiplied by cosine of angle A, and angle A is this one here, 37. We can simplify things a little bit here. So we've got A squared equals 12 squared is 144 plus 10 squared is 100, so that's 244, minus 2 times 12 times 10, 2 12s, 24 times 10, 240, cosine of 37. So A will be the square root of this. So square root of 244 minus 240 cosine of 37. And now all I need to do is to pop this into the calculator. So we've got the square root, so second function button, and then for the square root, we've got 244 minus 240 cosine of 37 equals. So length A is 7.23 centimeters, and that is to 3 significant figures. If you found this video useful, then head on over to my website, address is shown below, where I have a full course on trigonometry. Now the course covers the sine, cosine and tangent ratios, as well as the sine rule, the cosine rule, and also solving trigonometric equations. I've left a link to the course in the description below.